In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a PDF file into another PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process can be incredibly useful if you're working on compiling multiple documents into one seamless file for ease of sharing or presentation. Let's dive into the steps. First up, you'll need to open the PDF file you want to work with in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you haven't got it open already, simply navigate to your file, right-click, and choose Open with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once your file is open, we'll move on to the next step. Now look over to the right side of your screen. You should see an icon that looks like a stack of pages or thumbnails. That's the Page Thumbnails icon. Click on it, and this will show you a visual preview of all the pages in your document. This view is handy for identifying where exactly you'd like to insert your additional PDF pages. Once you have your thumbnails open, move your mouse to the top right corner of the interface. You'll find a button labeled Insert Pages. Click on this. It's the gateway to bringing other content into your existing PDF. The next step is to select your file. A dialog box will pop up letting you browse through your directories. Find the PDF file you want to insert and click Open. This is where you combine your documents into a single cohesive file. When you click Open, an Insert Pages dialog box will appear. This box is pivotal as it allows you to define precisely where in the current document you'd like to insert the new pages. You can choose to have your new pages inserted before or after a specific page, or even as the first or last page. Make your selection here, keeping in mind the flow of your document and how readers will engage with the new material. Once you're satisfied with your placement, click OK. There's an alternative method to inserting pages too, which starts by clicking on All Tools at the top left of your screen. From there, select Organize Pages. This leads you to another view focusing specifically on managing the order and structure of your document. In this view, you'll again find an Insert button. Clicking this will prompt you to select the source of your file. Choose the document you wish to insert just as before. The familiar Insert Pages dialog box will appear once more, giving you another opportunity to define where the new pages should be placed in the document. Set your preferences, click OK, and your files will seamlessly merge based on your selection. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to organize and enhance your PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This tool ensures that your documents are not only comprehensive but also expertly structured for any audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.